Today we are introducing a very interesting product from Aromahpure, and it's the Aromahpure's very own car perfume spray, and it comes with a hanging card. Our premium fragrance is crafted by blending natural ingredients and essential oils, which help you relax while you drive through the busy roads. I'm really excited to unbox this product from Aromahpure, so let's see what we've got in here. Firstly, open the box and then gently take out the card and the spray bottle from the box. First, hold the hanging card and spray from 6 to 8 inches away. 10 sprays should be sufficient to give you an aromatic performance of 5 days. However, I would recommend if you are more inclined towards a milder aroma, you can go for 5 to 6 sprays as it will enhance the mild fragrance. It comes with a string. You can place the card at any spot of your choice within the car. However, we would recommend to place it on the rear view mirror of the car as it would assure an even dispersion of the fragrance within the car. The best thing about Aromahpure hanging card is it is made up of handcrafted paper which is super porous. So firstly, it helps us absorb all the odor, and secondly, it keeps our car fragrant. Over a period of time, you would notice the intensity of the fragrance reduce, but you don't have to worry. All you have to do is repeat the process every 5 days. Our Aromahpure car sprays comes in 18 unique fragrances, be it refreshing, classic floral, fruity or aromatic. At Aromahpure, we've got you covered.